Some people are more anxious than others. Some people are definitely more anxiety prone, in large part because of the emotion having a strong underlying biological component. Researchers understand and have evidence that suggests how profoundly our biochemistry influences our emotions. Your moods are regulated by brain chemicals called neurotransmitters, which, among other things, keep you focused and calm and provide you with a sense of well-being. The 5 inhibitory neurotransmitters that are mostly important to regulating anxiety and other key emotions are serotonin, which soothes and calms you, dopamine, which elevates your mood, norepinephrine, which influences how your body reacts to stress and anxiety, glutamine, which promotes relaxation, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA, which helps you relieve nervous tension. Not only do you need a significant amount of these chemicals in your brain to regulate your emotions, they also must occur in the correct balance to keep your mood stable and your emotional system well-oiled. Imagine how you might feel if you had the perfect balance of neurotransmitters. You'd be generally upbeat, would relax easily, handle stress relatively well, and calm down fairly quickly when you were upset. If something frightened you and made you anxious, except in extraordinary circumstances, you'd be able to soothe yourself and return to your normal state of mind within a short time. Now imagine how you'd feel if your neurotransmitters were imbalanced. You'd have a much harder time handling the ups and downs of life. The situation is a little more complicated because human development always involves both nature and nurture. If your parents had a healthy set of mood regulators, chances are you will too. Parents who are relatively emotionally stable are likely to raise children who can modulate their moods, borrowing other causes of emotional dysregulation, such as significant trauma. Let's say your parents lacked the healthy complement of these neurotransmitters and passed a similar load down to you. Due to their biochemical imbalance, they may have had trouble managing their own moods and being ineffective at parenting a child with similar tendencies. Hard as they tried, it's all too likely that you grew up to be someone with emotional difficulties comparable to theirs. Both genetics and socialization are at work when it comes to mood regulation. For both biological and psychological reasons, anxious parents often produce anxious children. Factor in the effect of significant stress or trauma, which has a depleting effect on the precise neurotransmitters that modulate anxiety and other emotions, and you may end up with one highly anxious individual.